Oh my gosh, can you see it? It's the birdwatch workout and it's about to land. Let's do it. All you need is a band and a mat and a good sense of humor, okay? We're gonna do this birdwatch workout together. We're gonna start with our standing warm-up. So you can go ahead and put the band down, elbow to knee. Make sure you start your watches if you're keeping track. Here we go. Elbow to knee, there's 1 and 2, this fun one. 3, get you moving in all different directions. 4, 5, there's no limits here. 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, here we go. Open, close the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross reach. 1, fist that waist. 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to give it a little more. 6, you can let the heel go. 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, there it is. Okay, let's do this all again. Elbow to knee. There's 1. Make sure we get nice and warm. 2, 3. This bird watching workout. 4 is a long one. 5, but totally worth it. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Open, close the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And cross reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. I just noticed I'm going to bring my birds into the picture. I got my little picture of my birds for inspiration. Make sure that you guys have those to inspire you as well. And also grab your resistance band. We inspired to work our shoulders with this front shoulder raise. So you're going to do standing in the middle. You're bringing your arm up and then the other side. There's 1. So you want to have a light enough band where you can do this. 2, otherwise just stand on one side of it. And 3, and you can do this single-sided. There's 4. I hope you're nice and warm. And 5, even if you're not, you can just ease into this workout. 6, and you should be okay. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, back lunge to balance is our next one. So we're going to take our lunge back, bring the knee up, and pause. There's 1 until you have your balance. And 2, good. Step back, and 3, good. There's 4, 5, yep, we're gonna do this workout a little bit slower than I normally do. 6, because we gotta be quiet, make sure we don't scare the birds. 7, 8, 9, and 10. And sometimes by slowing it down, you actually get a better workout, okay? Here we go, back, other leg. There's 1. And 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, good, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Grab that band. Standing on it one-sided like I was talking about earlier, because the lateral raise is a little bit more challenging. Okay, so standing on as much as you need to bring the arm out to the side. 1, it comes straight out. 2, just shoulder height here. 3, parallel with the floor. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Other side. 1. Woo. Sure you can see me. 2. Good. This other leg. 3. Doesn't really matter where it is. 4. It can be here. It can be back behind you. 5. Whatever is comfortable. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Okay, so we did our lateral raise. Let's do our lateral lunge. So we're going to go side lunge to balance again. Okay, there's 1. Lunge. 2. Good. Lunge. And 3. 4. 5. Harder to balance when you're goofing off. 6. No laughing. 7. Makes the balance harder. Or should we? 8. 9. Good. 10. Switch to the other side. Lunge. And 1. I'm half on, half mat, off this mat here. 2. I'm going to scoot over a little bit. There we go. And 3. 4. 5. Now to balance with this leg. And 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Awesome. Grab your band again. I'm going to also grab my binocs for our bicep curl, our birdwatch bicep curl. So standing in the middle. Okay, I don't know if I can actually bring these all the way up. Up here, there's 1, and 2, and 3. Going all the way up to my eyes is bad form. 4, so we'll just stick with this. 5, 6, good. 7, 8, elbows in, 9, and 10. Okay, put your binoculars down. We're gonna go bird balance tricep extension. This is a tricky one, guys. Okay, so let me do it this way. You're going to stand on the band, my right foot's on the band, my right hand's holding it, and I'm gonna hinge forward with this arm out to the side. So here's my balance, elbow up, and extend behind you. How can I show you all of these components? It's tricky. Elbow up, extend. Okay, there's 1. You can see my other arm is out to the side. 2, good. And the farther down you go, 3, the harder it is. 4, 5, you can do it. 6, look at something on the floor that's not moving. 7, and of course you can go a little back. 8, if you need to, keep that shoulder down. 9, and 10. Woo, good work. Here, I'll back up a little bit, see me better. So now I'm standing on the band with my left foot. My left hand's holding it, arm out to the side. Oh, that's an easier view. Here we go. Push it back. There's 1, 2, 3. We learn as we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good work. So I'm holding it here, but I also could hold it like this when you're extending behind you, and that's also gonna work, okay? Okay, guys, let's do it all again. We're gonna start with our alternating front shoulder raise. So shake it out if you need to. Okay, that's the first half of the first upper standing moves. We got our lower ones coming later. There's one after our water break. Our floor moves, 2. Good job. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternating front shoulder raise, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good work. Back lunge to balance. Back lunge to balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job, you guys. Okay, grab your band again. Lateral raise. Bringing it out to the side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Side lunge to balance. Step to the side and pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Bicep curls, birdwatch bicep curls, standing on that band in the middle. Okay, now our elbows are going to be in. Bring it up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then put that band down under your right foot. Your right hand's holding it. Left arm out, left leg up, elbow up, and extend. 1, 2, tricep extension. 3 with bird balance. 4, 5, good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Left side, or whichever side you haven't yet done. Okay, elbow up, arm out, balance, and extend. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we can have a water break. Okay, head to the watering hole, head to the pond. Have a few sips. Are we watching ducks around here? There's plenty of water there. Okay, and then for the next round, we're gonna come down to the mat and do the rest of our moves. So starting out, sometimes we gotta sit and wait, sit and watch. So while we do it, let's do a leg lift. So one side only, lift and lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lying flat on your back. We're gonna bring one leg up in the air, the other leg is down for our single leg bridge. So we're gonna climb over the bridges, let those swans float right underneath us, up and down. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now both legs up. Uh-oh, bird just splatted on our little poop on our windshield. Let's windshield wiper it off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And feet down. Let's do our transverse. Squeeze those low abs. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, and release. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, and 2. There's 3 and 4. Protect that low back, our internal weight belt. 5. We've got to carry a lot of gear. And 6. This helps protect our back. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fantastic. Let's do it one more time. Go ahead and sit back up. Back to the waiting. Nice and tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Scooch down. Single leg bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, legs both up in the air, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feet down and transverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you guys, fabulous. That was a big one. It's time to stretch it out, but if you want to make it even bigger, you can always do that again or add any moves that you'd like. Okay, otherwise grab your stretching strap and let's stretch it out. Let's get our flexibility on. Okay, so holding each of our stretches 15 to 30 seconds. Let's start on one side with your strap, or you can just use your hands if you want to hold behind your leg for our hamstring stretch. Good work, you guys. So much fun. A lot of different moves there today, so make sure you stretch out really good so you're not too sore tomorrow, and that you can be strong and flexible. That's mobility. That's what we're looking for. Bringing it across. If you haven't stretched yet, bring your leg across. Drop to the side. And let's put the other foot in there, legs straight up. Bring the leg out wide. And across. Bring your strap to the side. Cross one foot over your opposite knee and pull that bottom leg in. Let's do our figure four. You can curl up or you can leave your head down if you like. And switch. Flip over onto your tummy and do your quad stretch. And switch. Okay, child's pose. All right, and then go ahead and sit, cross your legs, or sit comfortably however you'd like. Let's cross one arm over your chest for your shoulder stretch. Switch. Over. Switch. Open the chest. And big breath. Exhale. Good work, you guys. So much fun. I'm gonna grab my binoculars. And I really appreciate you doing the bird watch workout with me. I had so much fun with you. I can't wait to work out with you again. Until next time, keep it fun, safe, and effective, and take care of your family and yourselves. And I will see you again very soon. Aloha.